Let the triangle ABC be an isosceles triangle such that AB and AC are of equal length. So if you look at ABC as a triangle, it is saying that it is an isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC. So let me take AB over here and AC over here. This is an isosceles triangle of the side A and A over here. Now AD is an altitude from A on BC. So if I take AD as an altitude, I'm drawing an altitude perpendicular to the side BC and it is intersecting at the point D. So AD becomes an altitude. This is going to be 90-degree angle. AD is an altitude from A on BC. BE is an altitude from B on AC. BE is an altitude. If you take BE as an altitude, it is going to be over here and this is going to be 90-degree on AC. Now AD and BE intersects at the point A. So this point becomes O over here. Angle AOB is 105. So this angle turns out to be 105. This angle turns out to be 105. Then AD by BE is equals to what? So you are looking at the value of AD by BE. Now, if you look at this triangle closely, you will realize that the angle BOD will turn out to be 75 because this is a straight line AD that you are talking about. Now, angle BOD is 75 and angle D over here is 90-degree. So this angle present over here must be 15. So I'm trying to figure out all the possible angles that I can. So if this is 15, this angle has to be 75 because this is again BE is a straight line. This is 105. So this should be 75. So if this is 90, then this has to be equals to 15. Now, if you look at the triangle ADC, you will realize angle ADC is 90. This is 15. Then this angle, this is 90. This is 15. Then this angle has to be equals to 75. If this angle is 75 over here, then the side AB and AC are equal. In that case, angle ABC will be equals to angle ACB. That means this angle present over here, this is 15. This total angle of ABC should be 75, angles opposite to equal side. And if this is 15, then this angle has to be equals to 60. If this is 60, this is 105. So the total becomes 165. So this angle again will turn out to be equals to 15 in that case. So we have been able to figure out most of the angles that are present on this. Now we are looking at AD and BE. AD is this perpendicular that you are looking at, and this is the side A. So if you look at this entire thing and you are looking at the value of AD, that value of AD is going to be AB. The value of AD is going to be AB cos 15 degrees. Same way, if you look at BE, which is the side over here, B to E is what you are looking at. Now, if you look at B to E, then the side BE is going to be AB cos 60 degrees. Now, what are they looking at? They are looking at AD divided by BE. So if you divide AD by BE, you're going to realize AB will get cancelled out. You are left with cos of 15 divided by cos of 60. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. So you are going to get 2 times of cos 15 as the answer for this question, which is option A.